Now we are going to embroider the right part of the white face. The white face is embroidered using regular satin stitches. If necessary, you can refer to the satin stitch video in the basic stitches section. The lines should avoid crossing the beak and eyes. The white part of the eye is also embroidered using satin stitches.